Since the beginning of these atrocities, the international advocacy community, legal scholars, genocide studies scholars, Palestinians have all warned repeatedly that what Israel is doing and what the mainstream media is aiding to, and the international diplomatic community has been supporting, is tantamount to genocide. According to the Genocide Convention, it is the intent to destroy in whole or in part people based on national, ethnic, racial, or religious identity. They have accompanied this language, this genocidal intent language, with action. We have seen a siege imposed. We have seen the only border crossing that Israel doesn't control, the Rafah border crossing, bombed 4 times. We have seen that water has been cut off. We have been told that there is not enough electricity to sustain the life of newborn babies in incubators. We have seen Israel target numerous UN schools with the blue emblems, unequivocal blue emblems of neutrality, that have been providing shelter to Palestinians. We have seen them bomb hospitals that are ipso facto a humanitarian infrastructure and civilian in nature. We have seen them bomb humanitarian convoys who have been proceeding along the route that has been designated as a humanitarian corridor within Gaza, bomb them and killed Palestinians. At this point, by establishing genocidal intent alone, we triggered the Genocide Convention. It does not matter. That alone, intent to genocide, establishes culpability even without the mass atrocity. And yet in this case, we have established both the intent and the action. Mainstream media has failed in exercising journalistic integrity. They have not done any of their homework, and it would seem that they are merely mouthpieces who are reading scripts rather than journalists who are doing research, who are asking tough questions. At worst, not only are they repeating Israeli propaganda and outright lies about misinformation about what's happening, they are also limiting space for Palestinian analysts to speak. The space that they have left open has been left for Palestinians to express their pain over the humanitarian toll, but not to actually describe the context that gave rise to this or point fingers to establish international responsibility for it. It's the same way that people are okay to talk about racism, but without pointing to any responsibility, as if it was a natural disaster and not a human-made disaster.